with the great name of Allah. Today we are going to learn about the ascending and descending order of the numbers. That is on page number 5. Two of the examples I have written on the copy. They would be solved by myself. And another examples or the few of examples you have to do yourself at your homes as a homework. Okay, see. This is the number starting from the here to here. This is the single number up to million. Here is another number. This is this starts from here and ends up to here, and another number starts from here up to here. It means we are given three numbers. We have to put them into the ascending and descending order. First, this is the ascending order, and second, this is the descending order. Okay, coming to the first ascending order. In ascending order, first we have to see which number is smaller. First we have to place a smaller number, then greater, then next greater number. It means in arranging order, ascending order. See, in all three numbers from here, this number was smaller, 73,921,016, and this number was smaller. So it is written in the first. Then greater number which is greater of this number, that is 73,921,516 is greater than this number. Also this number is greater than these two numbers, so this is a bigger number and it is written in the last. This is called ascending order. Or we may also this symbol in these numbers. This indicates this number is greater than this. This is smaller, this is bigger, and this is much bigger of these numbers. This sign is also used in the ascending order. Similarly, in the descending order, first we have to keep the number which is bigger, then smaller, then smaller. So see, in these three numbers, this number was bigger. You can also write these numbers into a reverse form. It would be its descending order. First this one, next this one, next this one. See, this is bigger number, smaller and smaller. This is called descending order. Also we may write these symbols in descending order. This symbol indicates this number is greater than this number. Also this symbol indicates this number is greater than this number. So we may also write these symbols into these numbers. Hope you would have understood this video, and you have to do practice of like these numbers at your homes. Thank you very much.